Nothing. Hello, friends. So today we're working on a 2008 Chevy Cobalt. Yesterday it was a Ford Focus. Today it's the Chevy equivalent. It is what it is. So this car is just a cheap car. And I have received a ton of feedback since I started this DIY tuber. And one of the biggest subjects is rinseless wash. I don't think I've ever seen so much controversy over something so small. We're gonna rinseless wash this car inside and out. And in here I have O&R. So we're gonna use O&R on the interior, and we're gonna use the DIY detail on the exterior. This is not a comparison video of how well each one works. This is a video to educate you in rinseless wash. I want everybody to understand all the different things you can do with rinseless wash. So let's get started with the day. So my dilution rate is 256 to 1 on both of the washes. I always put O&R in the water that I bring to work. What do you think? I think O&R is doing really good on this interior. I really do. I mean, there's some problems, but it's nothing I can't grab with the harder stuff. But for the most part, it's making that look pretty darn good. Alrighty, friends, so let's talk a little bit about the media, the wash media that you can use with your rinseless wash. Now, you can get one of the legacy sponges. These are actually kind of cool. I'm going to try it today. I will tell you it's going to be a little bit of an issue. That's kind of wide for my fingers and my hands, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. I know a lot of people swear by this for this reason. It will get trapped. The point of a rinseless wash is to encapsulate all of that and allow you to pull it off. The difference between rinseless wash and foaming bubbles, there is none, except the bubbles. The dirt is still there. You can also use regular microfiber towels. Now, that is a very controversial thing, and the reason why is because people swear you're going to scratch. Yeah, you can. But are you really going to fret about scratches that are so minor that you're not really going to notice them? That is something that is going to happen over time. You can also use these to wash, or I use these to dry after the wash. You can use plush ones like this. You can use them either to wash or dry. Now these, I like these. They're so soft. You can find a towel that will work for you. It just depends on what you have in mind. One thing everybody needs to remember, not one detailer is going to do everything the same. So then there's one other thing. You can use a wash mitt, and you can get the car clean with the wash mitt. And I'm going to do that today. I'm actually going to use all three. Rinseless is probably one of the most overthought products out there. Here is my bucket of water. It is 1 gallon, and in here I have DIY detail, rinseless wash, 256 to 1. That's 1 capful per gallon. Pretty simple. I have my towels in there already. So I am going to use a microfiber towel on one section. I'm going to use the sponge on another section, and I'm going to use the wash mitt on the other section. Then we'll dry it, we'll look at it, and you tell me, what is the difference? There isn't. I'm gonna prove it. When you put your media in the bucket and you wring it out to where it's just about to drip on you, okay? But you don't want to wring it all out. You want to use the rinseless that is on your media to help protect the surface. See that? That's all the particles of dirt are going to go in there. It's going to be on your sponge, all right? So after you've used your sponge, and that's it. There's no dirt. Don't complicate this. I've been using Rinseless Wash since 3 months after I started detailing. All I have ever seen is an improvement when I use it, regardless of how I use it. So the next one is a wash mitt. Wring it out until it's almost dripping, but it's not quite there. And all you need to do is go over the surface. If you want to do this, you can do this. I like to have several different medias available or a bucket full of towels. Okay, are we ready? Here's my clean side. Nothing. Okay, one more. And I'm going to use a Walmart towel for this one, for this demonstration. Wring it out so it's almost dripping, but it's pretty full. All of the dirt is on my towel. We don't have dirt. It's all on the wash media. That's the best thing about Rinseless Wash. And the next best thing, I'm getting ready to do this car with 1 gallon of water. And I can actually do it with a half a gallon of water. That's the one thing I like about it. But let me bring you over to see the hood. And I want you to tell me how much damage I did, how much dirt I left behind, because that's another argument that I hear a lot of. And although I cannot bring it to YouTube vision, this is slick as all get out. These rinseless washes, and I'll be honest with you, I do not care what kind you use. Rinseless washes leave a something behind, and it feels good, okay? Not only does it feel good, but if you get dust on there like we get at the car lot, that dust is gonna get on there, but it's not gonna stick. And with the next wind blow, it's gonna blow it away. Whatever this is, it is an excellent dust repellent. Just saying. We have good coverage no matter what wash media we use. Rinseless Wash is dependable and versatile. I'm telling you, it is worth a try. Worth a try. Okay, so let's get started on this car for real. So say you still have a few more sides you can use on your towel. Don't ever put your dirty towel into your bucket. So the best way to do this is take another towel, squeeze it in there, and then off to the side onto the ground, squeeze it out a little bit. When it comes to windows, like the windshield, I just go right across it. I just completed this side, and I wanted you guys to see that Rinseless Wash and the surfactants and polymers give it that gloss. Cleans it very, very well. Now, the reason that I really like working on cars like this is because the dirt is stuck. So I'm having to kind of go over it a little bit. Always start from the top and go down. This is a dealership car. It's gonna be icky no matter what, but you can already see the shine. You can see my shirt in there. You can already see the gloss. Even coming from the bottom up, you have surfactants in this Rinseless Wash that if you make that goof up, which I've done a million times, you're still gonna be okay. Alrighty, so I'm using just a regular microfiber towel. And we're gonna do this. Just a regular towel. I am starting right here at the top of the door, and I am working my way halfway down till I get across the other side. Then can you see? This came back to life. All that yucky stuff come off there. You see how safe that is? So while you're looking at the car, I wanted to add in a few things that I didn't mention in the video. The first of which, a rinseless wash would make a great add-on service if you have, say you're at the customer's house and you're doing an interior. You can add on a rinseless wash. Rinseless wash is also a big time saver. And another thing, rinseless wash is what you should be doing if you are in direct sunlight and you're concerned about what's going to be left behind with the foam wash. You can do this panel by panel. So I just wanted to give you those few things. But I still swear by the fact that rinseless wash is safer than any foam cannon work you will ever do. It's less contact with the paint. The surfactants protect it. The polymers, man, they just help gloss that up and they help smooth that surface and it looks good. And I want everybody to at least get yourself one bottle. That's all you need, one bottle. It's gonna change your vehicle washing forever. Now, these wheels do not have rims. It's just the wheel. It's not the fancy, this is the old style. So we are not doing the wheels, but there are plenty of other videos on my channel because this is the only method I use. There's plenty of examples of rinseless wash washing the wheels and tires also. I was supposed to do something educational, and I feel like the best education is to just kind of watch it in action. So that's what I did. I hope you were able to take away some tips from that. Rinseless wash is one of the safest methods out there to detail. And I would like for everybody to, just get you one bottle. I challenge everybody to get you one bottle. I have an affiliate link in my description box. You are more than welcome to get that and use the coupon code. Save yourself a little bit of money. Buy one, and tell me if you think it will or will not change the way you do car washing. This is for detailers. This is for hobbyists, enthusiasts, just a plain old guy want to just wash the car in the driveway. Or, you know what, mom had a little bit of time, or mom needed to keep the kids busy, so you put one on this side and you put one on that side and you tell them to enjoy themselves. Rinseless wash is the safest. Just saying. Have a good one, everybody.